This Toyota Fortuner 2021 in white color was left here after its owner passed away.
No one touched this white Toyota Fortuner 2021 for years.
Under the dirt, the white Toyota Fortuner 2021 was still intact.
Flat tires and damage, but nothing beyond repair on this white Toyota Fortuner 2021.
This cabin of the white Toyota Fortuner was silent for years. I didn't start the white Toyota Fortuner 2021 yet. I decided to fully restore this white Toyota Fortuner 2021.
First step was moving the white Toyota Fortuner.
Easy, easy. Keep coming straight back, that's it. Hold it right there.
Taking the Toyota Fortuner to the workshop.
This workshop would revive the Toyota Fortuner.
Watch how the pressurized water strips away the layers of dirt, revealing the pristine white paint underneath.
Fresh life for the white Toyota Fortuner 2021.
Safety rebuilt on the white Toyota.
Brakes are done, let's check the electronics. Powering on, testing the indicators, left signal operational, and the headlights are working correctly.
The cabin of the white Toyota Fortuner felt new again.
The white paint of the Toyota Fortuner 2021 shines again. Strong stance for the white Toyota Fortuner 2021.
From abandoned to restored, this white Toyota Fortuner lives again.